Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser and I'm going to be removing the glove box. It's going to be very simple and you can do it too. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So we're going to open up our glove box. On the side over here, there's a little piston. All you do is grab it, pull it off to the side. You're going to squeeze the two sides of your glove box in. They have little tabs. When you pull them in, they move away from the up top part of the dash. Then you can just pull it out straight towards you. So along the bottom of the glove box, you got a couple little hooks here. Okay? They're going to sit right along here. So I'm going to set my hooks into there. Okay, we've got our little piston here. This just makes it so the glove box goes up and down nice and slow. It sits onto this piton right here. So I'm going to bring it up. Push those up. I'm going to grab my piston. I'm going to slide it right on. There we are. Bring it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.